The stem cell facelift is a revolutionary concept when it comes to plastic surgery. What happens with the aging process is that we lose volume and we lose the elasticity, the balance of the skin over time. As that happens, the skin becomes droopy and we start to see some jowling, some folding of the laugh lines. With traditional facelifts, what happens is generally we cut and then we pull on the muscles to tighten underneath, and then we pull the skin to tighten on top. The problem with the traditional approach is that it's a two-dimensional approach. It doesn't address any of the problems that caused the aging. What it does, it takes away the looseness. So by tightening the muscles, you're also changing the direction of the muscles, and it can change the appearance of your expressions. So when you express and those muscles are not sitting in the way they were, it doesn't look natural. And then when we cut, we're thinning out the skin, we're taking away the blood vessels, and we're actually speeding up the aging process because we're taking away what the body needs to stay healthy and young. And the third process is that tightening the skin over the already hollowed out areas makes you more tight, so it makes you more skeletal looking. So having that gaunt look makes you look tighter but not younger. In contrast, the stem cell facelift uses your own body's stem cells found in your own fat to do a three-dimensional change where we can sculpt the face back to its youthful proportions. Basically, we can take these stem cells that are genetically programmed to restore the blood flow, the collagen structures, and the elasticity of the skin to do exactly what we want it to do, to undo the years and to restore the youthful appearance to your face. The stem cell lift has many advantages. There's no general anesthesia, there's no cutting, there's no stitching, and there are no scars. The procedure is done by first taking out fat, which contains the most amount of stem cells of any tissue in the body, using a very gentle form of mini liposuction. So you can keep those cells alive and have the stem cells be able to do their job when we inject them into the other body parts. One of the advantages of doing this is that we can take more fat if we need to treat other body parts. Many people choose to also do their neck, their hands, their breasts or buttocks, depending on how much fat they have. Once we get the fat harvested, we concentrate the stem cells to increase the ratio of stem cells to the fat. And this is the critical point of the stem cell lift, because without this, we don't get the benefits of the stem cells. We now are ready to inject it to where we want. In the face, we want to inject it so that we can restore the proportions. All of this is done with special cannulas that are not sharp, so we don't cut anything or we don't damage anything. We don't damage the nerves and we don't damage the blood vessels. So most people don't even get bruised while we're doing these procedures. It's a very comfortable procedure. We just numb the face like going to the dentist, and then we inject. Most patients just feel a little bit of pressure for 2-3 seconds as the cells are going in, and that's it. The recovery from the stem cell lift is relatively simple. Once patients go home, if they have any discomfort, they can take Tylenol. The hardest part about this recovery is the swelling that you're going to have for the first week or two after the procedure. Once the swelling goes down, the stem cells start to improve the skin quality, and over the next few weeks, you will see the benefits of the stem cell lift.